Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. NATO faces fighter jet compatibility problem. A new report reveals that NATO's F-16 and F-35 fighter jets lack full interoperability, posing challenges for joint air missions and data sharing across allied forces. Join me on YouTube. My channel name is Jones Crasto, and follow on Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn for elite insights into M&A, luxury assets, defense and energy. According to National Security Journal by Reuben Johnson, October 23, 2025, despite the F-35's advanced sensor fusion and stealth systems, it cannot seamlessly integrate with older fourth generation platforms like the F-16 in terms of secure communications and battle network synchronization. Experts warn this gap undermines NATO's ability to coordinate real-time operations and counter modern threats effectively. The issue highlights the alliance's struggle to modernize its mixed fleet while maintaining unity across different generations of aircraft.